Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to remove background color of a video in Capcut app. So let's start. You can see there is a video here in our timeline. So we will remove the background color of that video. So to remove that background color of this video, we will hit on this video. You can see here there is an option at the right top part. There is option here videos. So and there is a basic settings here, and under this beside the basic headings at the right side of the basic headings you can see here remove bg. Click on the remove bg, and under the remove bg there are three options here. We will choose the first one, auto removal. Okay, it is done. Here you can see our the background color of our video has been changed to black. So if you want to set the background color something, so we need to go to our basic section. Under the video there is a section, the basic section, and at the bottom part we will choose the canvas color here. So we can blur here, we can make blur here, or we can choose color here. So which color you want as background color. Okay, and if you choose the pattern here, you can choose the pattern. There are several patterns here, so many patterns here that you can choose as your video background color. Suppose I'm going to choose that one. Okay, video default background color has been changed, and we have set here a new background color. This is a pattern, new background pattern. That's all the video how we can change the background color of a video in Capcut app, and how we can set color or pattern as background color of a video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Thanks for watching.